According to Ming-Chi Kuo, we should expect several changes in the cameras of the 2019 iPhones. With the new macOS update, you should be able to use your Apple Watch for more stuff with your Mac, and TSMC is already working on a new 6nm chip for next year. I'm Jaime Rivera, and it's Thursday. My Galaxy Fold is still in top shape. We have a full Q&A on Instagram stories that you should follow. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with other corporate fix-ups. I mean, you know that just like Qualcomm and Apple weren't getting along, you can stream certain services on Amazon's Fire TV or backwards when it came to Google. As of today, or actually very soon, you will be able to use either casting for Amazon's Prime Video over Google Cast or backwards be able to use Google services on Amazon TV. It's great to see that these companies finally woke up and smelled the coffee, that regardless of whatever restrictions they pull, people will still consume whatever's better. Now let's talk about the Galaxy Fold. Definitely a device that's providing a ton of controversy because of the screen issues. There have been only 5 units causing these problems out of, I believe, 100 units that were distributed. And so Samsung is confirming that they will be looking into this extensively, that they're obviously providing replacements. They are telling everybody not to remove the film. There's actually text in the plastic that says do not remove the protective film, and so that's one of the causes for certain issues. I know that there were other issues that weren't caused by this. So yeah, according to Samsung, we should not expect any issues when it comes to the final retail units, which are coming very soon. Now let's talk about TSMC as, well, we got 7nm chips from them as of pretty much last year. Now the company has just confirmed that as of 2020, we should expect 6nm, which is going to bring 18% more, transistors and just about everything within a chip. It's going to make it more power efficient, more everything. My God, I am shocked at how ARM chips are getting so much more efficient and how, Intel regular chips are not. Yeah. Now let's move the spotlight over to Apple and whatever we should expect for macOS 10.15. As we hear that, like for example, right now you can unlock your Mac or MacBook Pro with your Apple Watch simply because if your Apple Watch has a security key, it understands that the Mac can be unlocked. You have that benefit, but apparently you will be able to use it for Apple Pay and just about some other benefits. Right now you have certain of those blended benefits with the Apple Watch and iOS, but macOS is a different story. So stay tuned for those changes. They should be coming soon as well. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with Ming-Chi Kuo and predictions for iPhones. According to what we should expect, it seems that, well, we will be getting a better selfie camera, finally getting a boost from 8 megapixels to 12, though we're not getting specifics over what additional benefits are brought by this camera, aside from the fact that apparently it'll have a wider angle than average, so welcome to the world of the Samsung Galaxy S7, I believe. But then in the case of the back for like the Prime phones, it seems that there will be some sort of blended coating to allow the camera hump to not look as bad as we currently see with iPhone 10s and 10s's. So yeah, apparently the rumors are that the stove camera is coming. Let us know in the comments down below. I mean, what do you think? Better selfie camera, better coating at the back to look better with the camera hump? You think that that's good? In my case, I think that's all great, and a drop in the price tag would be even better because deals for Apple have been going crazy lately. That's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.